Standard 7 Mathematics, Lesson number 15 Statistics. Practice set 54, first question we are going to study. Before that, we have to learn what is the average formula. So, average is equal to sum of all scores in the given data upon total number of scores. Now, in the first question, the daily rainfall for each day of a week in a certain city is given in millimeters. Find the average rainfall during the week. 9, that is a millimeter. 11, 8, 20, 10, 16, 12. That means for each day of a week, so that means Monday the rainfall was 9 millimeter, Tuesday it was 11 millimeter, Wednesday 8 millimeter, Thursday 20 millimeter, Friday 10, Saturday 16, and Sunday 12 millimeter. So this data has given, and we have to find out the average rainfall during the week. So we have to use this formula, sum of all the scores in the given data upon total number of scores. So now sum of the scores, here the rainfall is given. So numerator will write the total rainfall, and in the denominator we'll write the total number of days. This is the formula for the average, total rain in millimeter and the total number of days. Now we'll add all this rainfall given in the week. So 9 plus 11 plus 8 plus 20 plus 10 plus 16 plus 12 upon the total number of days is 7. So if we add all this number, the addition is 86 upon 7. Now we'll divide this 86 by 7. 86. 7 ones are 7. 7 twos are 14. Now the remainder is 2. So we can take the decimal point and we'll put 0 over here. 7 twos are 14. 6. Again take 0. Once if decimal point has taken, we can take as many times the 0. So now it is 60. Now 7 8s are 56. So answer is 12.28. That means the average rainfall is 12.28 millimeter. Therefore, this is the answer. Now question number 2. During the annual function of a school, a women's self-help group had set up a snack stall. Their sales every hour were worth rupees 960, rupees 830, rupees 945, rupees 800, rupees 847 and rupees 970 respectively. What was the average of the hourly sale? So now in this we have to add all this data given, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We'll add this 6 number and divide by 6. After adding all these 6 entries, we have got 5352, and to this number we'll divide by 6. So now we'll divide by 6. So 6 8s are 48. 53 minus 48. 5 5. 8 9 6 9s are 54. Take this 2 down. 6 2s are 12. So this answer is 892. Therefore the average sale was rupees 892 per hour. Now we'll do the next sum. The annual rainfall in Vidarbha is 5 years. In 5 years is given below. What was the average rainfall for those 5 years? The rainfall is given 900 mm, 650 mm, 450 mm, 733 mm and 400 mm. So the formula will be the average is equal to total rain. For this we have to add all these 5 numbers and divide by the 5. So average is total rain upon total number of years. So we have added all that numbers, divide by 5, and addition of this is 3133, and if we divide by this, we'll just do the division. 5 6 are 30, 5 2s are 10, take this 3 down, 5 6 are 30. Now take the decimal point, put 0 over here, 5 6 are 30. Okay, so this is 626.6. Therefore, the average rainfall is 626.6 millimeter. Now we'll go to the next question. The farmer bought some sacks of animal feed. The weight of the sacks are given below in kilogram. What is the average weight of the sack? So we have to add all these numbers and divide by 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So we'll add this and divide by 8. The average is equal to sum of the weight of the sacks in kg upon total number of sacks. Now we'll add all that data given divided by the 8. Now we have to do the addition. So we'll write the numbers one below the other properly, as the decimal point should come one below the other. So this is 49.8, then 49.7, 49.5, 49.3 plus 50. Now 50, there is no decimal points, that means it is 50.0. If decimal point is not given, then that means it is a 0.0. So we'll write 50.0, 48.9, 49.2, 48.8. Now just do the addition as we add all these numbers. 8 plus 7 plus 5, we'll get the answer 395.2. Now we'll write this 395.2 and divide by 8, and to this number we'll divide by 8. So I'll show the division. 395.2 divided by 8. 8 4s are 32, 8 5s are 40, so we'll write 8 4s are 32, 7 5. 8 9s are 72. Now as the decimal point is here, so we'll put the decimal point here and take this 2 down. So 8 4s are 32. So the answer is 49.4. The final answer is the average weight of the sack is 49.4 kg.